Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. All that stuff, stay with us guys and we'll explain where to find your exterior paint code. That way guys, if you need to order some paint or touch up paint, you will know what paint to get. Because through the years, especially Chevy Cruze, even though it may look red, okay, they have a few different ones. I think 3 different kinds of red, and this is not just the scenario with red, guys. It happens with other colors as well. They have regular black, they have metallic black, so you need to know what color code is the correct one for your vehicle, and that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction guys to the channel. We will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. As you know guys, on most vehicles, okay, when you open the driver's door, on most but not Chevy vehicles, you will have a label, okay, right here somewhere on the door jamb, like here or towards the front, and on that label most of the times on most vehicles you will be able to locate the paint code. However, this one guys, it doesn't say anything, right? So where exactly is that paint code? Okay, let me explain to you now in a second. So we are going to go all the way to the passenger side now. Okay, open the passenger door, and again here we don't have anything. You need to go to your glove box. Okay, this is your glove box right here now guys, and you have a label that is a little bit hard to read there, but it's readable guys. If you want to put the glove box more down, okay, we have a video on the channel guys how to actually take it down and all that stuff through here. But that label now, okay, let me actually pull that glove box down a little bit so I can show you a little bit better in great detail and explain things. So I went ahead and I removed the whole glove box. Pretty simple. We have the video on the channel if you need to check it out. But this is your service, okay, service label right here. And if you look on the very bottom guys, okay, right here, this one, okay, you see BCCC, okay, and next to it on the right side, that's where you're going to have your paint code. And in our case it says U130X. This is the paint, 130X. If it says U, it means for upper body, L stands for lower body. It may say something like WA, it's still the same guys. Because you know, there are some that are 2 different colors, 2 different trims, so that's why you may have L and U there. But this is guys your paint code. It's on that service part identification sticker that is on the glove box. Why it's there, I don't know, since you can just buy another glove box, replace it, and everything will be different. So before you order the paint, make sure guys that everything's correct, otherwise you may order the wrong paint guys. And hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.